You have 4 different trash items to pick up. Packing peanuts are worth 3 points apiece. You'll notice that most packing peanuts are embedded inside of ecosystems. Microplastics are represented by straws. They're not as easy to pick up because they're small, and so those are worth 4 points each. Water bottles are easy to pick up, as are plastic bags. Every single one of these disturbance of environmental features or ecosystems is a 5-point penalty.
Basically, we had to build these robots that were able to go into like environmental features and be able to pick things out of them without disturbing the environment. And we did that by using like packing peanuts, straws to represent like microplastics and different pieces of material that made it hard to pick up without disturbing the environment.
3, 2, 1, go!
Let's do it. Hey, I got a straw. I'll just go through. Great job.
Yeah, but if you rip it, it's a penalty. What is it?
No, what are y'all doing here? There's no way you're not filling the whole hole. No, I'm gonna ram right in the front.
25 seconds!
That's not for me, but that's for me. Look at him, he's just trying to pick you up.
Disqualified!
Watch that wheel! And you see that? That's the wheel, that's the wheel. Watch it, though. Watch it. Yo, time's up.
Team 2, I believe you may work for a logging company. And you got negative 136 points. First place goes to Team 3. They only had 5 penalties total. Good job on saving your ecosystem.